White Swan is an international export company specializing in handmade leather goods that include apparel and accessories. Sara, with over 2 decades of experience in the industry, is the driving force behind White Swan. She, with the help of her dedicated team of artisans, created White Swan in 2007 and has painstakingly built the formidable reputation it enjoys today.
Hi, I'm Sara. I started White Swan 12 years ago. Before that, I was working in leather since '93. White Swan's USP is that we make Italian leathers. So we start working from the base, and that has been the main reason why we have been selling to the biggest stores in the UK, in Spain, in America.
White Swan keeps abreast of the latest global fashion trends and creates designs that are not only trendy and fashionable, but also functional and practical. Our key differentiators are the range of leather that are crafted in our in-house tannery and hand-finished by our expert team of artisans. Italian dyes that have no harmful chemicals and are accredited by European standards are used on our leather. We also work on canvas, denim and embroideries with leather to create unique pieces. Today, White Swan and Sara are deeply committed to helping individuals with special needs lead a quality existence.
Thumbprint Foundation is a dream project for me, which I've been thinking about for the last 10 years. I also have a daughter who is differently abled adult now, and I can understand how difficult it is for parents from all sectors of society, because it doesn't make a difference where you are in life. You all face the same challenges, and it can be very stressful and hard to bear. Because of this, I wanted to open a foundation where we could help these differently abled adults to be able to also realize their dreams, understand how it is to work in a factory atmosphere. So they're training how to work with them, but they don't have that heaviness or the pressure of working in a factory. We have a team of artisans that work with them and are very excited to teach them different things, and also for them to just bloom. So when they come here, they do a little bit of work, but they also have a great time, and it gives them a great sense of achievement.
In this ambitious project, they have launched a product line called Thumbprint that creates products exclusively by these young adults. A percentage of the profits from the sale of Thumbprint products is plowed into the Thumbbprint Foundation.
ये सलीना जैसे बच्चे को हमने देखा तो ऐसा लगा कि ये बच्चे जो है आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, कुछ कर सकते हैं। ये कभी कभी कुछ काम करने लगते हैं तो ये काम बहुत तसल्ली से करते हैं। तो इसी वजह से हमने जो है थंबप्रिंट का काम स्टार्ट किया है, और ये बच्चे हमें बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं, और ये बच्चे लगन से काम करते हैं, और ये बच्चे आगे जो है आगे बहुत काम कर सकते हैं और करेंगे।
The Thumbbprint Foundation, still in its nascent stage, is the dream project that envisages setting up a center for individuals who need a little extra help from us. The center will provide a safe environment for them to live in, be cared for, and engage in learning and using skills aimed to make them as independent as possible.
हाय, मेरा नाम शगुन है। मैं स्पेशल एजुकेटर हूँ और मैं काफ़ी टाइम से इस फील्ड में हूँ, स्पेशल नीड बच्चों के साथ। तो यहाँ पे कई तरह की डिसेबिलिटीज़ होती हैं जिनके साथ हम काम करते हैं। मेरा रोल ये है कि मैं एक ब्रिज बन पाऊँ उनके लिए, ताकि वो आगे जो सिखाने वाले हैं और जो बच्चे हमारे सीखने वाले हैं उनके बीच की जो गैप है वो पूरी की जा सके। मैं थंबप्रिंट फाउंडेशन से इसी मकसद से जुड़ी हूँ ताकि मैं इन बच्चों को आगे लेके जा पाऊँ, इनको कुछ हेल्प मिल पाए मेरे ज़रिए, और जो हमारा प्रोसेस है उसमें कोई बाधा, कोई रुकावट ना आए, क्योंकि इन बच्चों को सिखाने में हमें काफ़ी टाइम लगता है और अगर कोई रुकावट आती है तो बच्चे बहुत जल्दी गैप कर लेते हैं। इसके अलावा सेफ्टी इश्यूज़ या कुछ भी है जो हमारे वर्किंग एटमॉस्फेयर में, वो चीज़ के लिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ।
Selina has been coming to our factory for the last 10 years or so, in all holidays and on Saturdays. Our team has become very sensitized to any kind of tantrums she has or any kind of non-normal things that she does. But it has also opened their eyes. It's made them more humane. They've come back to me and said that they talk about Selina to their families, and they're very enthusiastic about how they want to teach and make them have a life full of achievement, where we train these children to work with leather, to work with color, work with canvases, and just make the world a more beautiful place.